Welcome back students. Today let us learn 9th standard chapter 1 number system. In number system, let us learn how to represent square root on any real numbers on number line. So take 2 points that is A and B, join the line A and B, name it as X. So let's take 2 points ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಲೈನ್, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ, ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಟು ಸಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಬಿ ಟು ಸಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ 1 ಇಂಚಸ್, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ತರ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಆರ್ if you take, you'll get a midpoint. Okay, from midpoint you draw an arc, that is A into C. On the arc draw madi, semicircle, draw a semicircle from A to C. Now from point B draw a 90-degree line to point D. illinda on the D ge on the point hakondu circle ge. So draw the line D to B. Now draw the hypotenuse D to O. So O in the D ge on the line joint madi. That should be equal to 90-degree. Draw the line. So now you got a triangle named OBD. So you can see a triangle OBD. So OBD is a triangle and OBD. So angle OBD is 90-degree. ಇಲ್ಲಿ AO ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ AO is equal to OC. So AO ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೂಡ OC ನೂ ಇದೆ and ಅಷ್ಟೇ OD ನೂ ಇದೆ. That is called radius. AO is equal to OC is equal to OD. That is called radius. So first of all ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ. AO ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is AC. AC ಎಷ್ಟು? See A in the C, I'll write AC minus, sorry, AC divided by 2. That is AC divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ AO ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So we don't know what is AC. How much is AC ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. AC ಎಷ್ಟು? AC is equal to AB plus 1, that is 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್. Okay, now BD is equal to under root x ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. BD is equal to root x. This is root x BD. Represent under root x on number line. So this ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, we have to represent this on a number line. Let us learn. This is a triangle you got. In a triangle OBD, so in triangle OBD, AO is equal to OD and OC. See, ಮೂರು equal line. This is equal to this line and this line. Correct? AO is equal to OD is equal to OC. That is called radius. Is equal to radius is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x. We know A to B is x. So A in the B is equal to x plus 1 ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು B to C. So B to C by 2. So ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ AO is equal to A in the O ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ AB plus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is called radius. So we got AO is equal to OD is equal to OC is equal to radius is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Next step is OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Therefore OD or OC or OA ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ radius. So radius is equal to x plus 1 by 2 ಇದೆ. So OB is equal to OC minus BC. So OB we don't know the value of OB. Therefore OB is equal to OC O in the C minus BC ಇದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ we get the value of OB. Therefore OB is equal to OC minus BC. Therefore OB, we don't know the value of OB. OB ಎಷ್ಟು? OB is equal to x plus 1. OC ಗೊತ್ತು. OC is O in the C ವರೆಗೂ x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 unit, that is OB. OB is equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore, if you take LCM, therefore OB is equal to x plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2, that is OB is equal to x plus 1 minus 2. It gives answers OB is equal to x minus 1 by 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ OB ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, O to B, that is x minus 1 by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. X minus 1 by 2. See, this is x plus 1 by 2 and this is x minus 1 by 2 and this is under root x. So here we got the value of 3 sides of a triangle. So in a triangle OBD, so ಬರೀ OBD ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. OBD, in a triangle OBD, OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2 and OB is equal to x minus 1 by 2, and according to Pythagoras theorem, that is base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. Therefore OB square, this is OB square plus BD square is equal to OD square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we know the value of OB square. OB square is x minus 1 by 2 to the power whole square plus BD square. BD square ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, is equal to x plus 1 by 2. This is OD square. We know the value of OD square, therefore x plus 1 by 2 to the power whole square. So by replacing BD na ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು you take this x minus 1 by 2 to the right side of a is equal to, that is right hand side, it becomes minus x minus 1 by 2 to the power whole square. Therefore BD square is equal to x plus 1 by 2 as it is, and this becomes minus x minus 1 by 2 square. So BD square is equal to x plus 1 by 2 to the power square minus x minus 1 by 2 to the power whole square. Therefore BD square is equal to, we are squaring the denominator, that is 2. 2 na ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, square ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 2 to the 4 and return directly, and we have to square only the numerator, that is x plus 1 to the power whole square. Here x minus 1 to the power whole square. So in here x plus 1 to the power whole square, that is nothing but a plus b square. This is x in the form of a minus b square. So very ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ numerator ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. When you take numerator, I am taking only the numerator. This is x plus 1 to the power square minus x minus 1 whole square. That is in the form of a plus b square minus a minus b square. So you know the value of this. A plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b square value is a square minus b square minus 2ab. So now there is a subtraction sign in the between, so we have put the same sign in between. When you convert this, all becomes a plus minus into plus becomes minus, and again minus into plus becomes minus, minus into minus becomes plus. So we have changed the sign. Now you can subtract, this is a square plus a square and minus a square gets cancelled, so plus b square minus b square get cancelled, and the remaining is plus 2ab and plus 2ab is same variable, so same variable we can add it, that becomes 4ab. Therefore a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square becomes is equal to 4ab. If you replace x plus 1 to the power whole square minus x minus 1 whole square is equal to gives 4x, gives the value of 4x. Let us substitute 4x. Keeping that 4x, BD square is equal to x plus 1 square minus x minus 1 square by 4. Here keeping the denominator as same, therefore the remaining is x plus 1 square minus x minus 1 square. We got the value 4x. Therefore BD square is equal to 4x by 4. Therefore 4 and 4 gets cancelled, and the BD square is equal to x. Therefore BD is equal to under root x, because we need only the value of BD. Therefore the transfer the square root to the x, that is under root x. Here we know the value of OB is equal to x minus 1 by 2, and BD is equal to under root x, and OD is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Therefore OB square is equal to BD square is equal to OD square, that is base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is x minus 1 by 2 plus under root x is equal to x plus 1 by 2. This is to plot under root x on a number line. We need this to plot under root x. Take the measurement from B to D and draw an arc. B to D is the composite measurement and draw an arc to the number line. So you got a point, and that point is called E, that is called under root x. Okay. Now understanding the radicals. Radicals nothing but under root square. The square root of is called radicals. So 25. So 25 ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25 is write as 25 to the power 1. 25 is written as 25 to the power 1 and under root 25. This is under root 25 means is written as 25 1 by 2. That is equal to 5. Here cube root, that is called cube root. Here cube root is written as 1 by 3. Cube root 125 is written as 125 to the power of 1 by 3 and that is equal to 5. If nth power under root a is equal to b, we will write as then a is equal to b to the power n. We will transfer the nth power to b, where a and b is greater than 0 and n is positive integer. So a and b should be greater than 0 and n should be in a positive integer. Then only we can transfer this. Okay. Now we know that ab square is equal to a square into b square. So ab square ನಾವು last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ab square is nothing but a square plus into b square. Next, hence ab to the power half, that is to the power 1 by 2 is equal to a to the power 1 by 2 into b to the power 1 by 2. Therefore under root a is nothing but is equal to under root a into under root b. A by b to the power whole square is equal to a square by b square. Hence a by b to the power 1 by 2 is equal to a to the power 1 by 2 and b to the power 1 by 2. Therefore under root a by b is equal to written as under root a by under root b. So we know that a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore under root a plus under root b into under root a minus under root b is equal to a minus b. Let us learn how we got a minus b. That is a square. This becomes a into a is a square and a into b, that is minus ab. And now b into a is plus ab and b into b is minus under root b square. So here plus ab and minus ab gets cancelled. Minus ab and plus ab gets cancelled. The remaining is under root a square minus under root b square. So square we can cancel square and square root. So square and square root gets cancelled. Here also square and square root gets cancelled. Remaining is a and b. Therefore a minus b. So we got a minus b here. Therefore under root a plus under root b into under root a minus under root b gives the answers a minus b. Now we know that a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then therefore under root a plus under root b square is equal to under root a square plus under root b square plus 2ab. Here root a and a square get cancelled. Under root a, that is square root and square get cancelled. The remaining is a plus b plus 2ab. So here the remaining is a plus b plus 2ab, or it can be written as a plus b plus 2 under root ab. We know that a plus b into c plus d, that is a into c gives ac, a into d gives ad, and b into c bc, b into d bd. So in the same way in under root, this is in the form of a plus b into c plus d. Therefore a into c that gives ac and a into d gives ad, b into c gives bc and b into d gives bd. Let us solve some examples. 5 plus under root 7 into 2 plus under root 5. So this is nothing but is in the form of a plus b into c plus d. So a on the b and c and d, all the variables are different. So therefore it is in the form of a plus d into c plus d. That is nothing but you have to multiply 5 into 2. 5 2s gives 10 and 5 into under root 5 gives 5 under root 5 as it is. 7 under root 7 into 2 under root 7 into 2 ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So under root 7 into 5 gives, you can multiply these two under root because 7 5 is 35 under root 35 as it is. Okay, you cannot solve this further because all are different variables, so we cannot solve. We should write as it is. Second question, 5 plus under root 5 into 5 minus under root 5. See, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You know, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, and under root a plus b into under root a minus under root b gives us is equal to a minus b. You already learnt. Therefore, 5 into 5, 5 is 25, and 5 into under root 5, 5 into under root 5 as it is. That is plus into minus is minus. Now, under root 5 into 5 gives 5, under root 5 as it is. Next is under root 5 into under root 5 gives, that is 25. So now, minus 5 under root 5 plus 5 under root 5 gets cancelled, and the remaining is 25 minus under root 25. Anyways, we know that 25 is a perfect square. 25 perfect square ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. So you can remove that. You can remove the square root. Therefore, 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. Therefore, square root ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು remaining is 25 minus 5. Okay, and this is the answer. 20 is the answer. 25 minus 5 is 20. Let us see second example. Under root 3 plus under root 7 to the power whole square. This looks like a plus b the whole square. So is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, therefore it is nothing but under root a plus under root b to the power whole square is equal to a plus b plus 2ab. So this, substitute this value, under root 3 plus under root 7 whole square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So the a square becomes 3 only, and 7 square becomes 7, and remaining is under root 3 into under root 7, that is 2ab. You have to multiply this 2. This gives 2 under root 21. Therefore, under root 3 plus under root 7 whole square is equal to 3 plus 7 is 10, 2 under root 21 as it is. So this, we can't simplify this further. Therefore, this is the solution for this question. Next question. Under root 11 minus under root 7 into under root 11 plus under root 7. So this is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So this is a plus b and a minus b. Same numbers is there. So a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, under root a plus b into under root a minus b gives answer as a minus b. So now under root 11 minus under root 7 into under root 11 plus under root 7 and now a plus b a minus b. So here a minus b. Therefore 11 minus 7, it gives 11 minus 7, and 11 minus 7 is 4. Therefore 4 is the answer. Rationalizing the denominator. See, rationalizing the denominator is nothing but we have to rationalize the denominator if the denominator is irrational number. So rationalizing, the process of converting an irrational denominator, the process of converting irrational denominator into a rational number by, how to convert that? By multiplying the denominator and the numerator by a suitable number is called rationalization. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with a suitable number to rationalize the denominator. Okay, let us see with examples. If x is a real number, then we can express it x to the power 2 or under root x on number line. Okay, next, but how to represent 1 by under root x? See, under root x, it is a denominator is a irrational number. We can't represent on number line. Therefore, we have to convert this into a rational number. That is by removing or converting the under root sign from the denominator. We have to convert it from by removing the under root sign by the from the denominator. Example, 2 by under root 3. See, 2 by under root 3. We have to remove this under root 3, and how to remove? By multiplying the numerator and the denominator with the same value. That is, we know that numerator 2 is numerator and 3 under root 3 is denominator. So denominator is irrational number. By multiplying the denominator and the numerator by a suitable number, that is under root x into under root x. See, under root x into under root x, it is written as x into x is equal to x. Here under root x and square root gets cancelled. Therefore the value is x. Okay, see, if you cancel the root and square gets cancelled and the remaining is x. Therefore 2 by under root 3 is multiplied with under root 3 numerator and under root 3 in the denominator. Therefore if you multiply it, both numerator means you get as 2 under root 3 by under root 3 to the power whole square. So here in the denominator we got square root and square. So therefore we can get cancelled and the remaining is 3. Square root cancel adre ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬರೀ 3. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. Example, 5 by under root 7. So 5 by under root 7. Therefore we can multiply under root 7 into under root 7. So nodi, 5 under root 7, both in the numerator and the denominator you can multiply with under root 7. If you multiply it in the numerator we get 5 into under root 7. In the denominator it gives the roots get cancelled and the remaining number is 7. So we have converted this denominator. This is called as rationalizing the denominator. 5 by under root 3 minus under root 2. So here we got two values in the denominator. Let us see by converting first multiplying with under root 3. So now under root 3 jothe multiply madre enagutte nodona. Under root 3 gives under root 9 or root gets cancelled. The value is 3 and 3 2s is 6. If you multiply 3 into 2 6, that is 6 is not a perfect square and it remains the same value, so it is not removed again and again it is a irrational number. Irrational number irutte, so it is not possible. Let us multiply with under root 2. Under root 2 into under root 3 minus under root 2. So multiply matter 3 2 is 6. Here we got under root 6 and 2 2 is 4, that is perfect square. Therefore we remove square roots. So the remaining is answer is under root 6 minus 2. So again this is an irrational number. Therefore this is also not possible. So here let us see a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು a plus b into a minus b ನಮಗೆ a square minus b square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ under root ಅಲ್ಲೇ under root a plus under root b into under root a minus under root b gives a minus b. Now we got a simple solution. Therefore we can use this formula, that is under root 3 minus under root 2 is multiplied with the positive integer, that is minus the plus, that is nothing but a minus b into a plus b. When you multiply this we can remove the root simply. Therefore when you multiply this numerator, 5 into under root 3 is 5 under root 3 plus 2 as it is, and in the denominator a square roots gets cancelled, the remaining is 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 here. When you subtract 3 minus 2 we got 1. Denominator 1 bandre, that is nothing but 5 under root 3 plus under root 2. This is answer. Next example odona. Here under root 3 plus under root 5 by under root 3 minus under root 5. So this example we can use under root 3 plus under root 5 because on the both the side if you take you tagondre, that is nothing but a minus b into a plus b irutte. That is easy to solve. So let us take 3 plus under root 5 as a numerator and denominator. We know that under root a plus under root minus b into under root a minus under root b gives answer as a minus b. Therefore let us solve this. If you solve this, if you multiply this, this is in the form of a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b to the power whole square, it becomes a plus b to the power whole square. Here 3 minus 5, we got simple 3 minus 5. This is in the form of a plus b square whole square. Therefore a plus b whole square is equal to under root a plus under root b whole square is equal to a plus b plus 2ab. Therefore this is written as 3 plus 5. 3 square is nothing but 3 and 5 square is 5. Therefore 2a into b. Here in the denominator 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Therefore 8 plus 2 under root 15. It is 3 5 is 15. We have multiplied this and we have added this 3 plus 5, 8 plus under root 2 under root 15 aitha by minus 2. Here we got 2 both in the numerator and the denominator. Therefore you can get cancelled. That is 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Here 2 1s are 2. You should cancel. You should use this 2 for both 8 and 2. That gives us 4 plus under root 15 by minus 1. So in the denominator we got 1 and minus. So 1 denominator bandre we will not consider it as denominator, and for if there is minus we will transfer it to the numerator. That gives us minus 4 plus under root 15. This is the answer. Okay. Let us see next example. 5 by 2 plus under root 3. So 5 by 2 plus under root 3 ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 plus under root 3 into 2 minus under root 3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ we can rationalize the denominator. Let us see. That is 5 by 2 plus under root 3 into 2 minus under root 3 into by 2 minus under root 3, because this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Therefore under root a plus under root b into under root a minus under root b is equal to a minus b. Okay. Therefore here 5 into 2 minus under root 3 as it is by 2 square is 4 because 2 into 2 is 4 and under root 3 into under root 3 gives 3. 5 into 2 minus under root 3 by 1. So this is nothing but 5 into 2 minus under root 3, and you can write as 5 into 2 multiply and write as 10 5 to the 10 minus 5 into under root 3 gives 5 into under root 3 as it is. So this you can write in the form of this or this, both are right answers. Okay, here we have come to the end of part 6. Okay, thank you students.